Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use Grammarly extension on Chrome. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Grammarly website. Over here, log into your Grammarly account. After that, type in your email and click continue. Then enter your password or log in with Google. Once logged in, you'll be on the Grammarly document page. Over here, click on the apps option in the navigation menu. After that, click on Grammarly for Chrome. Then click the install button. Over here, you'll be redirected to the Chrome Web Store. After that, click on Add to Chrome. Then approve the prompt by clicking Add Extension. Over here, click the extensions icon in the top right of your browser. After that, pin the Grammarly extension from the dropdown. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.